Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues after updating. Alright, let's begin. First of all, make sure that your mobile device is updated to the latest version available. This is important because updates can sometimes cause connectivity issues. After that, try restarting your mobile device. You can do that by pressing and holding the power button on your mobile device until you see the option to restart. Once your device has restarted, open the Settings app and access the Wi-Fi section. Here, you will see the list of available networks. Find the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, tap on it, and select the option to forget the network. After forgetting it, reconnect to the same Wi-Fi network by selecting it and entering the password. If you are still experiencing issues, the last thing you can try is resetting the network settings. To do this, get to the home page of the Settings app and access the General tab. Inside it, scroll down to the bottom and choose the Transfer or Reset iPhone feature. Now, tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings from the pop-up menu. This will reset all your network settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have those backed up. So that's basically how you can fix Wi-Fi issues after updating. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.